Hello there. It's time for another class. Hope the effort and resources being invested into the preparation are yielding good results. In today's lesson, we are focusing on the reading subtest. To have a good general understanding of the subtest. In the subsequent lessons, we sure will delve into every part of it. The reading, which is a receptive communication skill, requires candidates to read passages and to answer 42 questions. They are doing this in 60 minutes. The reading subtest is divided into 3 parts, A, B, and C. All 12 professions take the same reading subtest, and when you register to take the test on the day of the test, that's the second you're doing. The first is the listening subtest, then you move to the reading. To get a B, which of course most of you need to register with governing councils and boards, especially the UKNMC and then the regulating body in Ireland. You need to get 30 correct answers, and that's translating to 350 points. So you need a minimum of 30 correct answers to be able to get the B to help you further your dreams. Let's look at the 3 parts of the reading subtest. In part A, you have to read 4 short texts and you answer 20 questions. You're doing this in 15 minutes, which means that you have less than a minute to get an answer. You would have to therefore work very fast to do this. The text found in part A are mostly found in workplaces in the health sector, and these are these are things they do almost on a daily basis. It includes dosages, daily care advice to patients, and in 15 minutes, you're answering these 20 questions based on the 4 short texts that you have. Remember, you don't need any prior information or prior knowledge or any special knowledge of the questions that you have to be able to answer them. Whatever information you need to answer the 20 questions are buried in the 4 short texts that you have. On the day of the test, when you're done with the part A, it would be collected from you. So after the 15 minutes, the examiners or the OET staff over there, members of staff over there would collect the question paper from you, because that is where you put down your answers. Parts B and C last 45 minutes. For part B, you would have 6 short extracts, 6 short text, and they range between 100 and 150 words. You have 6 questions with 3 option multiple choice to answer. These texts are from procedural and policy documents. Then part C, you would have 2 long texts, and they range between 750 and 850 words. You have 16 questions to answer, and each of them has 4 options for you to choose from. These texts are taken from journals and websites, which are aimed generally at the medical audience. You read these texts to find the answers to the 16 questions that you have, 8 for each of the text that you find in part C. And that's generally what the reading subtest is about. In subsequent lessons, like I said at the beginning, we are going to delve into these more to understand exactly what we should expect in the reading subtest. I'll see you in the next lessons, and thanks for the time. All the best.